President Bongbong Marcos says he is open to unity talks, even with Vice President Sara Duterte. But the Vice President simply laughed off the idea. More in this report.
For the sake of unity, President Bongbong Marcos says he is open to holding talks with anyone, including Vice President Sara Duterte. When the Vice President was asked about the President's offer of dialogue, her reply was brief. VP Sara is currently in The Hague, Netherlands to visit her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte, at the ICC detention facility. While there, she took a swipe at the corruption controversies hounding the government.
Malungkot ang Pasko natin dahil hindi natin gusto ang mga nangyayari sa ating bansa, lalong-lalo na yung mga iskandalo sa korupsyon at yung pag-aabuso sa posisyon at mga opisina ng gobyerno.
The Vice President also confirmed she is preparing for another impeachment complaint expected to be filed against her.
We're about to release a statement about the impeachment, no? So lalabas namin yan. Meron lang akong mga edits and amendments doon.
VP Sara also answered critics questioning her office over the supposed purchase of overpriced laptops.
Wala pong findings na ganun ang Commission on Audit. No? Kung nakita ninyo sa statement ng Office of the Vice President, pinublish na yung report ng Commission on Audit at wala silang findings of any wrongdoing sa Office of the Vice President.
According to the COA audit report, the OVP had listed 3 million pesos worth of laptops, but the OVP clarified to COA that the item was erroneously recorded by a staff member. They said these were not laptops but photocopying machine that were donated along with a desktop computer. For News 5, I'm Bril Montalvo. We are One News.